should have believed you and trusted Deuce.
Yeah, I knew something wasn't right. Are you and Deuce back together again?
Yeah, as soon as you called me last night, I called him up and told him what happened.
That Tammy is definitely a piece of work. I can't believe she gave her boyfriend's magic love test or whatever that was.
How did you even find out?
I was right. She was meeting Annie, so I followed her and then just asked Annie for the truth. I didn't really have to convince her. She just gave it up. Tammy ran off into the woods.
No way!
Yep, ran off like a scared little cat.
We have to get her back. She made what was supposed to be the best night of our lives and turned it into a nightmare.
We can't keep going back and forth with all this. It's getting tiring and boring. I think we should just ignore her. That will make her even more crazy. She just likes to get a rise out of us.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Hey, there's something different about you, but I can't put my finger on it. What is it?
Duh, I got rid of my glasses and a new hairstyle.
Oh, it looks really good.
Thanks, Cleo. Oh, here comes Tammy. Just ignore her.
Well, look who it is, the big liar.
Or don't.
Oh, shut up. I thought you said Tammy just ran off.
Well, she did run off. Right after I punched her in the face.
Good one, Draculaura. She deserved it.
You should take it easy on poor Tammy. The only way she can get friends is by magic. And no one in her right mind would want to hang out with her.
Yeah, she probably put some kind of friendship spell on Marlene and Percy. No one wants to be your friend, loser. Oh, shut up. Great comeback. That really hurt. Leave me alone. No way. I'm gonna make your life miserable just like you made ours.
Cleo, relax. It's over.
Nuh-uh. I'm not finished. At least you got one good punch in. What do I get?
Let's just get this place cleaned up. I'm so happy today is the last day we have to do this. But staff at school is starting in a couple of weeks.
Yeah, me too. I didn't get to spend any time with my boyfriend because of you, Tammy. This summer was the worst summer I've ever had, and it's all because of you.
Cleo, just let it go. You're just going to make yourself mad and do something you'll regret. Or get us all into trouble again.
Fine, but you just listen carefully, Tammy. I'm going to tell everyone at school what you did. I'm going to tell them the only way anyone will put up with you is if they're in some kind of magic spell. Because you're the worst person ever. Just leave me alone, okay?
Wow, Cleo. I think you made her cry.
I'm going to get you too. I hate you both so much. Oh, hey, Draculaura. Wow, you guys are doing a great job cleaning. Oh, shut up, Draculaura.
How's summer school going?
Great, today's the last class. Hey, are you still having that party, Draculaura? Wasn't it supposed to be this weekend? I invited a lot of people.
What? Are you crazy? You have to uninvite them. Father hasn't finished the renovations. Maybe we could have the party at your house.
I can't. You know what my mother is like. She would never let me have a party. I was hoping we could do it at your house.
Well, maybe after all the renovations are done.
Sounds good. Hey, Jimmy and I are going to the movie tonight. Do you and Claude want to come with us?
I can't, sister. Claude is taking me on a romantic date.
Ooh, that sounds cool. Okay, maybe next time. Jimmy and I are hanging out at my house. We're taking off now.
But class isn't over yet.
That's okay. It's almost over. We just snuck out. It's the last class. Who's gonna care? Gotta go.
Must be nice that she can have her boyfriend over after school. I could never invite Claude to my house. My father would kill me. He doesn't even know I'm dating anyone.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. He keeps trying to set me up with his friend's son. Each guy gets creepier and creepier.
That's awful.
I know. And the worst part is, one of my neighbors, Vincent, is his favorite and he wants to marry me.
What? You're kidding.
I wish I were. You're the first person I told about this. I haven't even told Draculaura, and Claude doesn't know anything about this.
What are you gonna do?
I have no idea. Oh, here comes Tammy. We'll talk about this later.
Well, look who it is. It's Tammy, the big lying crybaby. Wah, wah, wah.
Cleo.
What, are you going soft, Draculaura? Don't you hate her?
Yeah, but like I said, just ignore her. Let's just concentrate on something else.
Yeah, whatever. I'm not finished with Tammy yet.
Great job, girls. You could finish up and... Oh, wait a second. I have to take this call. Hello? Yes. What is it now? I will. I'll check on him. I mean, it soon. Relax. I have to go, girls. Finish up and get out.
Great, let's get out of here right now.
You go ahead. I have to grab something from my dorm room.
Okay, see you later.
I'm going to follow headmistress and see what she's up to. I know she's up to something evil.